you.
Check the big board. Where are we now? We're up 88 points. Our next guest is predicting, when I say doom and gloom, I mean doom and gloom on Wall Street in the coming months. Here's a quote. The months ahead deliver greater pain. There is no stopping the upcoming carnage. The Fed is pathetically weak here. They can't save it. They have no weapons left. Sounds like the walking dead on Wall Street, and there's the graphic to prove it. Patriarch Equity CEO Eric Schiffer joins us now. You are bearish, are you not?
Well, I think I'm a realist, Stuart. I think really, in reality, we face a global economy that is very fragile and, in fact, could go a lot worse. And I really believe that the Fed has propped up stock prices to such a level with all of the printing of money, et cetera, and low interest rates, that with the global economy being in the shape that it is, we're headed for a disastrous situation. Carnage is a correct way of putting it, and the reason is, if you're a retiree, if you're a family that's saving for your future, and you see your stock portfolio go down 10, 15, 20, 25%, are you going to hang on? What we saw in this last cycle with these heavy hits is people didn't hang on. They got rid of it. That's carnage.
Okay. Now, what's the sign? Is there a sign that you would look at, some kind of indication, some kind of development that you expect that will really set us way, way down, the plunge? What's that sign? What's the signal?
I think the signals will be further indication in China and emerging markets that things are going to get bad, even worse than where they are. The ability that these signals are more credible. I think you'll see them get more credible in time, and that will affect the market. You're going to see volatility like you've not seen, in my opinion, and it will get ugly. And frankly, in my opinion, carnage will happen. And what do you do in this situation? In my opinion, I think you should go to cash right now. It's not a good time to be in the market, especially if you need access to the cash. If you're a long-term investor, it's irrelevant long-term. Because if you're going to hold this 10, 15 years and you have great companies and you're well diversified, you'll be fine. But if you need the cash, get out, get on the sidelines, and don't be part of the carnage.
Yes, your comments are addressed to those people, for example, who may be facing imminent retirement. They're going to step aside from their job in the next 6 months or 1 year. You're telling those people, sell it. Go to cash, do it now, get out, sleep at night, and quit worrying. That's your advice to them,
yes.
Correct?
Yes. It's also my advice to people that don't have a strong stomach. If you can't handle the pain that's coming, if you can't take what you're going to see on TV, where the numbers are going to get very significant in terms of the drops, then get out now, because it's coming.
We hear you, and we appreciate your input on the program today. Let's see how things pan out. Eric, thanks very much, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Stuart.